Hey guys, Happy New Year. Really looking forward to 2019 and helping as many people as possible reach their goals with selling on Amazon FBA. So let's get right into this video. Today I am talking about Joelister. And if you guys haven't heard about Joelister, literally all it does is it takes your Amazon FBA listings and lists them on eBay. So what you need is you need an Amazon account and you need an eBay account. It's just that easy, and literally, as it says here, Amazon to eBay in 5 minutes. So as soon as you sign up for them, then you will have your products listed onto eBay within 5 minutes. And it's really as easy as it sounds, and you'll make significantly more sales on Amazon as a result of this because you're going to be having all of the eBay customers seeing your products as well. So it's really a no-brainer if you're already selling on Amazon, and as long as you have that eBay account, then you can sign up. And the beauty is they are willing to give you a 2-week trial on any plan completely free. But to make it better for my viewers, I've negotiated with Joelister, and they have indicated that if you contact them through their chat here and indicate that you saw Joelister posted on my YouTube channel, Amazon and eBay Guru, then they'll extend that trial for another 2 weeks. So you're going to get a whole month for free. And then literally you can just see if you're making additional sales, then keep the program. If you're not, then you can cancel it. And there's no obligation to go on after that. So literally it's a 1 month trial for free, and you can't lose. The worst thing that's going to happen is you're going to not make sales on eBay, and that's fine. Then you can cancel it, or you can go to actually a plan where you only pay when you make sales. That's another plan they have, but we'll go down and look at their plans here. So currently they have a basic plan, a plus plan, a pro plan, and then an enterprise plan. Basic gives you 100 listings, plus gives you 250, pro gives you 500, and then enterprise gives you unlimited. So enterprise is only going to be if you're like a massive store that has a ton of FBA listings. But I would recommend, well, it really depends how many Amazon FBA listings you have, but for me, this is the one I use. The pro, because you get 500 live listings, and that's enough for me. But if you are bigger than that and you have more than 500 listings, then you can go to the unlimited enterprise. But yeah, like literally it'll just list your products onto eBay, and you can give the basically what you want your eBay listing to look like right in Joelister. It's really customizable, and like, oh yeah, like it says here, custom templates, and you get the priority email support with this. And then if you do go to the enterprise, you get the phone support, which is nice as well. They're a really good company to deal with. They work with you. And yeah, I'm really glad to be promoting for them now and telling you guys about it, because if anything, it's going to make you more money because you're going to make more sales. So it's really a win-win, and I'll put a link in the description below to get Joelister, and then once again, just go down here and send them a message. Basically, I saw Joelister on Amazon and eBay Guru's YouTube channel, and I'm looking to get the 1 month trial instead of just the 2 week trial, and they'll take care of that right away for you. So let's look into everything that you can do on Joelister. You can list with one click, so it's really easy. I would take you into my account, but it literally shows all my Amazon FBA listings, and for the privacy of my Amazon account, I don't want to do that. So what you can do is you can list in one click. So here's what it looks like, and literally under here, so say you're selling the Canada Goose and you want to list it. At this point it's already been listed, but it would just say list, and all you do is you click here under action, and that's going to list it on eBay. Or the nice thing is you can also select all and list the entire page. So if you have 100 on that page, you can change how many entries you have on each page right here, and then you can list the entire page. So it will list all 100 of those within like 5 minutes or so. So this gives you this is their main page that you get when you sign in. It's easy inventory management, smart pricing. So like I said, you can either put it like to 10% more, or any percentage you want more than you would get if you sold it on Amazon, or you can leave it at zero and then you'll get the exact same amount that it would have sold for if you sold it on Amazon. It's always adapting. It's a very live service. They update on a daily basis based on Amazon. Yeah, they're really good overall. I've had no problems with them, and they've always worked with me. They have really good ratings on both of these, Web Retailer and Seller Engine, and as you can see, there's testimonials from customers here. So literally, I don't see why, if you're selling on Amazon, you wouldn't sign up for this, because literally it's just going to benefit you, and you get a 1 month no obligation trial with the mention of Amazon and eBay Guru YouTube channel. So I hope this video helps you guys, and I hope this video helps you make more sales and get traction going into 2019 to grow your business and to achieve financial freedom with selling on Amazon FBA. Once again, my course is still at $497, but I'm going to be putting the price up on January 15th to $997. So if you do want to get in at the half price point that it's currently at, then get in within the next 2 weeks, because the price is going to be going up to $997. I'm going to be adding a ton more content, and you get lifetime access to it, so you won't have to pay anything more to get access to all the additional content. And you can send me emails or messages at any time, and I will respond to those as soon as possible, because you get the mentorship from me helping you to grow your Amazon FBA business. So I really hope this video helps you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more if you haven't already.